The question we have today is, are daisies weeds or flowers? This question often arises when these cheerful plants invade lawns, presenting a dichotomy between being a nuisance and a welcome addition. As a lawn care business owner, I frequently encounter clients desiring a daisy-free lawn for a uniform green appearance, indicating that context defines whether daisies are considered weeds. The dictionary labels a weed as an unwanted plant, suggesting that daisies could be considered weeds when they grow where they're not desired. Daisies come in various forms, thriving in different seasons, with common varieties including the perennial Bellis perennis, Shasta daisies, English daisies, and oxeye daisies, each with unique blooming periods. In botanical terms, daisies are interesting for their perennial nature, rhizome-based propagation, and rosette formation, contributing to their resilience and spread. Belonging to the vast Asteraceae family, daisies share a common feature of composite flower heads, making them botanically fascinating and diverse. In gardens and lawns, daisies adapt well to most conditions, preferring full sun but tolerating shade, which influences their role in various settings. Ecologically, daisies enrich gardens by attracting pollinators, improving soil quality, and supporting biodiversity, showcasing their beneficial aspects when in the right location. Gardeners have mixed feelings about daisies, appreciating their aesthetic and ecological roles, but wary of their potential to dominate and displace other plants. Identified as weeds due to their robust nature and ability to thrive in various conditions, daisies' undesired growth can disrupt garden balance and ecosystems. Managing daisies involves strategies like using them as border plants, employing garden edging, or pairing them with companion plants to control their spread and enhance ecological diversity. To prevent daisies from becoming a weed problem, maintaining a healthy lawn through regular care is crucial, alongside understanding their life cycle for timely removal. Non-chemical control methods, such as using a daisy grubber during their vulnerable early growth stages, offer an eco-friendly option for managing daisies. For those opting for chemical solutions, timing the application of pre-emergent herbicides or selective weed killers can effectively control daisy growth without harming the lawn. In conclusion, whether daisies are considered weeds or flowers largely depends on their location and the observer's perspective, with various strategies available for managing their presence in gardens and lawns. Understanding daisies' characteristics and management options equips us to make informed decisions about their role in our outdoor spaces, embracing or controlling their growth as desired. If you would like to read more about daisies, you will find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns and have fun.